Check this out, guys. First of all, what you want to do is go to YouTube and you want to search for some kind of podcast. Once you're going to find one that you want to go with, you want to pretty much just right click on it and save link address. Then just go to this website right here, paste your YouTube link in there, and as you can see right here, you can post everything from video podcasts, educational commentaries, motivational speeches, but you cannot post any music videos or vlogs. Then just pretty much click on get free clips, and just like that, in one single click, you will be able to generate tons of these short format videos that you can upload to various social media platforms, and I'm going to show you how to actually monetize them without having to create any content yourself, without writing any subtitles, anything like that. All you have to do is just use this one free AI bot software that I'm going to show you in today's video to create tons of short format content, and then I'm going to show you a step-by-step process how to actually monetize these videos and make anywhere between $100 up to $500 per day just by doing this. But before we get into all of that, I got still a couple of spots open left in my coaching program, so if you want to learn the exact same method that I'm using to make anywhere between $6,000 to $7,000 per month with affiliate marketing without shoving my face anywhere on the internet, without using any of my social media accounts or this YouTube channel, and I'm still getting results just like this. So if you want to learn this exact same method, just check out the first link in the video description, and I hope to see you there. And also, while you're there, make sure to hit the like button under this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel to stay tuned for more money making content, and also click the notification bell so as soon as I release a brand new money making video, you'll get notified immediately. Okay guys, so into this video I'm going to show you how to actually monetize other people's content that you can find on YouTube completely legally for free without spending a single dollar out of your own pocket, and actually make hundreds of dollars per day just by doing this. So first of all, you want to go to YouTube, and what you want to do there is just make sure you're going to type podcast into the search bar. You can do this pretty much for any content out there, but if you're going to look for some podcast and actually hit the search button and scroll all the way down here, you will find a bunch of YouTube shorts that are already doing this. As you can see right here, this is content created by people. As you can see right here, this is content uploaded by people who pretty much did not create any of this content themselves, and they are getting hundreds of thousands, some of these even millions of views. Now this may seem like a very tedious and laborious process to actually download the podcast, go through it in some video editor and actually find the best part, cut it out, create subtitles for it, but I'm going to show you how to do that in just a couple of seconds using one website and one click. So what you want to do is pretty much go ahead and find a podcast that you want to go with, and if you're going to scroll through all of these podcasts, you need to find some that's going to definitely capture some views. As you can see, for example, this one right here could do very well because it contains a lot of material that people would want to watch, and also I'm pretty sure that you have already seen, even if you don't know what this podcast is, you have seen some form of short format video containing content from this podcast right here that's called Joe Rogan Experience. So even if you don't know any podcasts out there, pretty much what you want to do is find some podcasts that are highly popular and are getting lots of views, and you want to start with that. If you can't find any of these, what you want to do is pretty much just go to Google and you want to type in there most popular podcasts 2023, hit search, and you want to scout through a bunch of these websites to find the most popular podcasts that are definitely getting thousands if not even millions of views. Then you want to go back to YouTube and you want to search for it, and once you find one that you want to go with, for example, let's go with this one with Will Smith in the thumbnail, you don't even have to open it. What you want to do is just right click on it and you want to copy its link address. Once you do that, hop back to Google and you want to search for Opus Clips. Hit search on that, and what you want to do is go to this first website right here that's called opus.pro, which is pretty much like this AI powered video repurposing website that's going to create viral clips, short format clips from a longer video in just a couple of minutes using one click. As you can see right here, this tool is pretty much powered by OpenAI, which is the exact same company that created ChatGPT. So it's pretty self-explanatory that this is going to be a high quality AI tool that's going to do the job for you. Pretty much what you want to do is paste your YouTube link in there and click on get free clips, and just with one single click in a couple of minutes you will get all of these short format videos that are going to be somewhere anywhere between 15 to 30 seconds long, that are going to be created from one long video without you having to download anything, without you having to do any video editing yourself. And the best part about this software is it's going to rank these videos based on the virality score, how probable probable they are to go viral. So pretty much this AI is going to automatically grade these videos based on how probable they are to go viral. So what you want to do is go ahead and start downloading these video clips from the website. And as you can see right here, this AI is going to generate the subtitles for this clip automatically without you having to spend a second typing anything yourself. If you're going to click on this edit clip button, you can pretty much see how the subtitles are going to look like. They are going to be colored, so it's going to be this very popular TikTok style subtitling. So if I'm going to play the clip, you can see right here that these are going to be playing automatically. And if you're going to review these videos that you're going to create, you can find that the subtitles are very high quality. They are 99% correct, corresponding to whatever the person in the video is saying. And also, if you want to customize these subtitles to your liking, pretty much just go to this part on the left side where all of them are going to be displayed. And what you can do is go ahead and change the color. Of these subtitles if you want them to be some different color. For example, let's make this word yellow, this word yellow as well. Just like that. All of this I'm doing just for demonstrational purposes, so you guys will know how to work with this website right here. And you can also go ahead and change something in the subtitles if you want. For example, I'm going to rewrite this first sentence into something different, so you can see that you can customize this as well. So pretty much after Opus clip is going to generate these clips for you, all you want to do then is just start downloading them one by one using this download button. And after you create and download them to your computer in just a couple of minutes, it's time to monetize them. One of the easiest ways to monetize these short format content clips is to go to Instagram and create a page where you will be posting them every single day. Go ahead and post a couple of these clips. As you can see, for example, this account right here that's called Waste Your Time has over 123,000 followers, and all they are doing is posting these short format clips from long stand-up videos. And as you can see right here, they are getting insane amount of views, almost over 20,000 views on each of these clips, and some of these are reaching into hundreds of thousands of views. You can see even 2 million views right here. Pretty much just posting these short format videos created from other people's content and having subtitles in it, this person is able to generate millions of views every single day to their Instagram account. And some other examples, for example, this person right here is heavily relying on Joe Rogan podcast. As you can see, he's using most of the clips are from Joe Rogan's podcast, created by Opus AI, posted to Instagram and getting thousands of views per clip. And these are extremely popular right now. So if you're going to be consistent and post a couple of these every single day, in no time your account can blow up and go viral. And if you're going to take a look at this, all of these accounts have one thing in common. All of them have this link in their bio that are directing all of this audience, all of these clicks somewhere where they want them to go. You can see it right here on this account just as well, on this account too, which is pretty much themed around Joe Rogan experience. So that's going to be one of the most popular niches to go for. So if you're going to be doing this method, you can go for that source of content as well. Now to actually monetize these clips with this link in bio, what you want to do is pretty much go to ClickBank and put in there an affiliate link for a product that's going to have something with online marketing. If you're going to go to e-business and e-marketing section on ClickBank, what you want to do is grab yourself an affiliate offer that is very high converting, go for the highest converting offers and just post them in your bio. That way you're going to get insane amount of viral traffic to your affiliate link, and every time somebody's going to make a purchase, you can get paid very nice commission. Now what you want to make sure is you're going to go for offers that have something to do with make money online or internet marketing, because it's very easy to package it for Instagram or TikTok. And pretty much if you already have an audience from Instagram or TikTok, if you're going to show them how to make money online on Instagram using one of these offers, they are that much likely to make a purchase. So even if you are going to be doing this method for Instagram, for example, or even for TikTok, you can see right here on TikTok, you can get hundreds of thousands of views to your short format videos that you are going to be posting. And as you can see right here, many people are doing these exact same things using other people's content. For example, like a podcast, create a short format video from it, have it subtitled and post it to TikTok. And all you have to do is just go to opus.pro, sign up for your account, paste your YouTube link, click on get free clips, and you're done. So that's it for today, guys. I really hope you find this method interesting and go out there and make some money with it. And now if you want to see the exact same method that I'm using to make 7,000 per month with affiliate marketing without showing my face, just go to the first link in the video description and I hope to see you there. Now if you're hungry for some more money making content that is completely free, just check out one of these videos out here, choose which one you like more, and I'm going to see you there.